Kathy by Design, and I just got my design team allotment from the Funkie Junkie Boutique, and I thought we'd open it together. So let me cut this tape. I was trying to think how many years I've been on the Funkie Junkie team, and I want to say it's 3 or 4. It's been a while. If you're not familiar with the Funkie Junkie Boutique, it's an online store, very high quality art supplies for mixed media artists. And this is what a box looks like when you get it. Everything is packaged just beautifully. There's always a little gift included from the Funkie Junkie Boutique, and they're usually themed to whatever season. You can see the yellow dyed seam binding ribbon because it's spring, and I'm betting this is some really fun spring stuff in here. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, butterflies and a spring seed catalog image and some of Tim Holtz's funky botanical die cuts. I'll have fun with that. So here's the name of the shop. Visit it. It's a great place to get supplies. And then everything is always beautifully packaged. I have never had anything come to me damaged. So let's see what we got. Oh boy, I kind of went crazy this time. The shop has all these gorgeous metal embellishments. Look how beautifully everything is packaged. Wow. So, yeah, I kind of stocked up. Look at these cool metal feet. Can you see those? Let me take them out of the package. Box feet, which, I apologize, all this rattling paper. Look how cool these are. Gorgeous. Can't wait to play with those. And then another set of, look at these, really shabby chic. Really beautiful. Her metal embellishments were what first drew me to the shop, and then I just fell in love with everything she has. Look at these teeny tiny ones. These would be great for the new Graphic 45 ATC boxes or Eileen Hull's stacking boxes. Aren't those beautiful? And let me see. Ooh, these are nice too. Decorative boxes, and it's when you add a beautiful base to a box like this, it just takes it to the next level. It's really cool. So those are awesome. Usually I undo these so carefully, but we'll be here a year. So I'm just going to cut these open. I save these little bags. Look at these cute for 4th of July Memorial Day Uncle Sam hats. Cute! And let's see what's in this one. Oh, these are great. Look at these lion head door knockers. Those are beautiful. You can paint those up, make them look shabby chic. They're really fun. And then this is like Christmas. Oh, these are gorgeous. Little Silvertone Hearts with a butterfly, filigree butterfly in the center. Those are beautiful little charms. And you guys, if you follow my channel, you know how much I love those. Oh my goodness. Look at these little umbrellas. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. I can't stand it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to play now. And then in here we've got beautiful keys for St. Patrick's Day. Can you see the 4-leaf clover? And then a little rhinestone. Those are gorgeous. And then in here we've got, yes, I love these. Look at these little white rabbit charms. This will go great with Stamparia's new Alice collection. Also great for Easter. And I kind of went crazy and got a bunch of those. Ooh, so cute. And let's see what's in here. See how beautifully everything is packaged? I'm telling you, I just love that. Yep, I was out of my tumbled glass distress paint, and with summer coming up, this is a great color for all my beach projects. And then this is new in the shop. These are Seth Apter's baked velvets. I love his baked textures, and look at these colors for summer. Let me get them out of the package so you can see. I love any kind of embossing powder or embossing enamel, so these will be magnificent to play with. Boy, oh boy. And these will go great with Stamparia's Land Sea Land, which I adore. So that's those. And then this looks like paper. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, these are my new favorite thing from Tim Holtz. These baseboard frames, they're chipboard, but you can alter them with paints and inks and sprays, and they have an embossed lace design, and they're stunning. I've done a bunch of projects with these already, and I love them. Let me get this big box out of the way. Okay. And then new paper dolls. I love these. These are chipboard. Look how cool these are. So I loved the other ones, but they were really thin. So I always worried about them breaking, but look, these are actually chipboard. Same images, but chipboard. That's awesome. That is awesome. And then I wanted this die way back at Halloween, but it sold out so fast. I couldn't get it, but I can see this used for Christmas, for Halloween, for patriotic projects. Even you could use this for love because, you know, stars in your eyes. It's just really fun. And this is one of his thinlits that cuts the background so the front papers of the background can pop through. So I'll have fun with that. Then I'm in love with Stamparia's stencils. And I never thought of myself as a stenciler, but they have really changed the game for me. And they're a little bit, the thickness of them is a little bit different, and I find them really easy to use. So these are great designs that I can do a lot with. And then look at these, so pretty. 5 different designs on that one stencil. So I'm excited about that. And then I splurged. I used my allotment. This is their new release. This color palette. People, these are my colors. I apologize in advance. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I'm thinking Azulejos. Look at this. Ooh, this is my first time seeing this. Wowzers. I can't wait to play with this. This is stunning. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The thing I love about Stamparia is that they have done all the mixed media effects. They've built it into the paper for you. And look, see, like crackle, faux crackle, faux stenciling, and the images and the patterns are just to die for. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love these little envelopes. I love their cut apart page. Look, here's a little mini folio. This will go great with those new baked velvet that I just got. Ooh, I can't wait to dig into this. So I got 2 because I always need more than one. Anyway, that's my haul from the Funkie Junkie Boutique. Thank you so much, Linda. Linda Coughlin is the owner. The customer service is top notch. This just doesn't even scratch the surface of all the beautiful things she has in her shop. But this is how I chose to spend my allotment this go round. So I just thought I'd show you, introduce you to a wonderful place to shop. And now I'm gonna go so I can get my craft on. Thanks for joining me. Bye.